Okay, another thing that comes in your kit is these packets of Ningxia Red. So that's how you pronounce it. Ningxia, 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 Ningxia. And it's actually comes from the Ningxia Valley in China. And it is a mix of different types of fruit puree, but the main ingredient is the Ningxia wolfberry, and that's where the power comes from. So Gary Young, who's the founder of Young Living, discovered that the people who live in the Ningxia Valley have longevity. Like their skin's amazing, they live much longer, they live longer and more vibrantly. So he'd studied this culture and they eat the Ningxia wolfberry. So he brought it back to the States and created Ningxia Red. So it's a red fruit puree. It's not an extract, like it's not a juiced. It's the entire food in there, and it's wicked high on antioxidants. And we know antioxidants help with cell turnover, creating a good environment in your gut for, you know, a solid pH, for high, you know, a healthy immune system that works properly, and longevity, like good skin and living longer vibrantly. So this is something you want to take every single day. I get a rush of energy when I take this. It's got 2 ounces, that's the suggested serving. You can also get these in bottles, but I really like the packets. They don't need to be refrigerated, although I think they're better cold, but don't throw this away. I have so many people who get kits and they throw this away because they don't know what to do with it. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, this is liquid gold. I actually give a pouch to the kids instead of a multivitamin because it's whole food nutrition, and we want that whenever we can get it, right? And then we supplement later. But this has so many antioxidants and vitamins in it that if I know my kids are getting this, I know that they're set. And then if somebody's sick, I give this to them, anybody who needs more immune support than just daily. So they'll take like 2 or 3 packets a day. So anyway, pop this in the fridge, drink one a day, and see how you feel. I promise you're gonna feel so good.